walking down the shore, diving head first down to the ocean floor. Your dark brown eyes reflect fire.
So supper was good. We enjoyed it. Don't you just love it when you've cleaned everything up from dinner and you have a clean kitchen? I was able to go ahead and wipe all the countertops down tonight. When I cook supper, Ken often will gather our plates and whatnot, and he'll clean up after I've cooked. However, I do clean up and get things put away except for our dishes that we're eating with in our cups and our servingware. But isn't that sweet of him? I cook, he cleans it up. All I have to do is start the dishwasher before bed, and then he unloads that for me the next morning, even though I tell him I'll get the dishes. Sometimes I'll tell him that, not all the time. New scent going. My sister makes some amazing homemade peppermint cookies that I can't consume anymore. Wah, boo me. But that's what this smell is reminding me of. Her sweet homemade peppermint cookies. Cleaned all the countertops down, was able to fill up my kettle. Might just go ahead and have my tea. No, not yet, because I have to walk on the treadmill for an hour to get to have it. I'll just put it there and go ahead and get my mug. Oh, it's in the dishwasher, so I'm gonna have to use another mug. There it is. I thought it was in the dishwasher. And I'll show you how one of these work, since I showed it earlier. Just put your loose leaf tea in it. Put it into your cup, let it sit, steep 3 to 5 minutes, however long that your tea is supposed to steep. And you take it out, empty it out, wash it or rinse it. Keto strawberry cream smoothie that I'm gonna make one day, one evening, one night, and I'll share that recipe with y'all. We enjoy those a few times a week. Yum. Alexa, what are the health benefits of lavender?
According to National Institutes of Health, lavender has a long history of use to boost appetite and mood, as well as relieve gastrointestinal problems and anxiety. Today, people use lavender as a dietary supplement for anxiety, depression, intestinal problems, and pain. People also apply it to the skin for hair loss, pain, and for improving emotional health. People may also inhale a lavender vapor to help sleep, to reduce pain, and for agitation related to dementia. There is little scientific evidence of lavender or TMS effectiveness for most health uses.
Alexa, what are the health benefits of chamomile?
From Livestrong.com. Chamomile has mild sedative and relaxant effects, may reduce muscle spasms, helps regulate blood sugar levels, and boosts the immune system.
So I get all my health supplements put together in the evening before bed, and my collagen. Biddy comes in here with me about this time because she always gets a treat while I'm doing this. I'm surprised she's not in here asking for it yet. What my evening routine looks like. Tea, wash out the girls' water bowl, get fresh water for them, which I did that several times today. Kitchen's clean, table's cleared off for the evening. I had a hard time sleeping last night. I woke up, I've been staying up to like 1 o'clock in the morning for some reason. However, I went to bed early last night and woke up at 11:30. And I was wide awake, so I got up, came in here in the kitchen, did some work, and started getting sleepy about 1:30, went back to bed, lay down in the bed, and I was like, am I still wide awake? And then I drifted off. Just cleaned up for the evening, got my supplements put together, vacuumed the dining room, the hallway, the kitchen area. Wiped some surfaces off. I did this yesterday. I wiped all of this surface down yesterday. There's another piece I did, the bloom technique. Maybe I'll take that out in the sunlight tomorrow and show that to you. My brother and his wife got that for me. It's cute. I really love it. I love it, love it, love it. It's 8:30, so I'll wait a little bit longer before I go through and start shutting things down. Don't you love it when they can't bring it all the way up to the porch? Which that's okay when they put it right in front of the door. It's hard for me to get out the door. What did we get?
Wanna shake the ground, wanna break away, let loose. I'm tired of waiting, gotta make that move. All the neon signs, now they shout to me and you to write our story. Wanna shape the new. Do you wanna come along with me? Come along with.
That's 3 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. Makes quite a bit. So I had my dental cleaning this morning. That always feels nice to get that done. I feel like you have brand new teethers. On top of having my crown put on, the implant, last week. My mouth's in pretty good condition as of right now. Came in from the dentist, had my cup of coffee and my protein cookie. And just like last week, gonna sit here and watch some YouTube. And then I'll get up and get busy. I've got to go over and start the wash machine next door and here as well. Washing every day helps keep those mounds of laundries, of piles at bay. But I'm sure you all can relate all too well. It's beautiful here today. It's chilly enough for me to wear a sweater, but I stay cold all the time now anyway. I guess Biddy is probably hanging out on the other porch. When her daddy's over the shop, she likes to be where she can hear his every move. She won't go over there with him though. She's scared inside the shop, but it's very noisy. It's very loud inside the shop. And that piece that I had shown you, that he did on that cut log, from a log that has been cut, isn't that pretty? He can put Biddy on there. That one's got Sophie on there, or the cattle dog, and then he could put Biddy on there, or just about anything that you can think of. I loved it when he walked in and showed it to me. I was like, oh, that's gorgeous. I had no idea he was working on that. So it was a surprise. A lovely surprise at that. Can y'all believe that we are about to embark on 2014. Whoa, where did that come from? On 2024, this year really has flown by. And I'm like, slow down, slow down. Life is going by just so fast. However, I always get excited to bring in the new year. New year, new changes, start over. I love the new year. My goal, as of right now, I'm hoping to get up a video at least 3 times a week. Mondays, scheduled. Uploads Mondays, Wednesdays, and Friday. And then once I feel like I'm hoping once I get back into the swing of it that I can eventually get up to posting a video a day. 1 video per day. Topers, we need to go put in a load of clothes. Are you ready? You wanna go do it? Huh? Topers? Dopey. She's such a good girl. She's such a good girl. Yes, sir, we is. Her's my baby. Dopey. She's watching these bees. This is the first year we've ever had them to come up on the patio with us and actually aggravate the mess out of us. And the girls, they'll snap and bite at them. And I'm like, oh, you don't want to do that. You don't want to catch that. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Oh, what are you so happy about? Hold on. Let me overthink this. Story of my life. Overthinking things.